What's up guys, and welcome to my vlog. And this time, yes, daga na kay online sellers o mga businesses na naggawas sa Facebook o other social medias. And right now, kailangan registered jud siya ang inyong business. So this time on this video, I will teach you how to register online, okay, para ma-valid ang inyong business sa DTI. So DTI registered business dapat this time. Okay, so please check this video and I hope this is helpful for everyone. Check this out. By the way, before you run through ang video, ako nang gipadagan ganina and trying to check kung unsa ang mga struggles na inyong ma-encounter during registration process. Okay, so una, you have to think na lang ahead of time your business name, and kailangan ninyo og landline. Okay, kay importante na ay landline na nakabutang dito. TIN number, importante na nga kay TIN number. And of course, for your payment transactions, na atay GCash, na Paymaya o other bank na pwede. But GCash ang pinaka-easiest. So again, dapat i-make sure na mo ana daan para at least diretso-diretso na yung registration, dili mo maghunong-hunong. So business name, and then landline number, tapos ang inyong TIN number, and then of course may email ad. I'm pretty sure na may email ad. And ang GCash, kailangan mag-download mo og GCash daan for the easiest transaction. Anyway, for the payment, naa siya 7 days. Okay, kung dili pa kakabayad na siya 7 days before ni mo siya i-reprocess again. And we're back once again. Welcome to our channel, Jocsology, Biyahe ni Joks. We have 1,000 sobra na subscribers. Thank you so much. So, kung wala pa naka-subscribe, please don't forget to click subscribe below. Thank you. But anyway, on this video tutorial, I will teach you how to register your business through your phone. Okay, online registration po tayo since ang government and ang ato ang rules law karon is contactless. So pwede na mo dili mo adto sa DTI para magpa-register. So you can do it in your home using your cell phone. So dali lang kayo ang steps on this. So magpa-register pud ko sa ako ang online business para at least ma-run through nato. So tanawa lang nanyo unsaon pagdagan. So una is maadto mo sa inyong Google Chrome. Abot niyo sa inyong Google Chrome, i-type ninyo ang DTI online registration. So naana na dira, as you can see, mag-pop up dayon ang business name registration portal sa DTI. So i-click ninyo, and once na mo diri sa sulod, una mo gawas ang terms and conditions, disclaimers, copyright, security notice, and so click I agree, and then after that we will start the registration sa tuang business. So, are you a stateless person? No. Are you a refugee person? No. So, select citizenship, Filipino, Philippines, and then you type your full name, and then you type your middle name, and then type your family name. After that, inyong birth date, and then after sa inyong birth date, civil status, and then gender, then click next. So na mag-pop up siya for recap, then click proceed. Once na click na proceed, na siya business scope na kabutang. So national, you will pay 2,000, regional 1,000, municipality, city 500, for barangay 200. So click lang tanan sa barangay. So click niyo ang sa region. So as you can see, of course, for Davao City, Region 11, Davao Region. For city, municipalities, so nadiri for all the Region 11, and then since nata diri sa Davao City, so pangitaw na to tong City of Davao. Ayan. So nadiri sa tunga Davao del Sur, City of Davao. And then mag-pop up for the barangay. So kung asa nyo barangay, mo ito inyong i-type. And then dominant name. So unsay inyong dominant name. So pwede mo magbutang og kung unsa to yung business mo to inyong i-type, okay? So for me, online seller mo na natong i-type. And then butangan na nato diri og Jocsology or inyong pangalan. Okay? Online seller, online shop. Yan. So Jocsology. So, pwede nimo for your dominant name, inyuhang name kung unsa inyuhang gusto ibutang dito, i-register sa DTI, and then online shop, pwede na siya dito. After which, i-check din nyo ang name availability. Okay? So, validate. So, we have to wait for the validation. Okay? So, maggawas din siya result not yet processed. Please click and check the name availability button. Dili mo maka-proceed diri kung dili ninyo na siya, dili na ma-validate. Ayan, so dapat sa status na ay pass. Okay? So, ako na ay failed kay naka-register na ko. So, for this run through, alis dan na lang nato. Yeah. Ayan. So, i-validate lang ninyo. So, you have to make sure sa validation result, kailangan pass siya tanan. Alright. So, pass siya tanan. And then, proceed next tayo. So, na siya recap. So, as you can see, ang atong nabayan is 200 for the registration fee. And then, documentary stamp will be 30 pesos, so 230 tanan. So for the payment, maggawas siya og payment ng mga processes, transactions. So na kay reference code, continue lang ta, press continue. So you can pay through GCash and then hopefully namoy GCash but at the same time. Okay, so business address, Davao Region, Barangay Kabantian, house building number. Type na lang niyo inyong house sa balay. Zip code, area code. Not sure sa area code. Type to 0. Phone number. Kailangan make sure kompleto ang ato ang kuan ha. So for your phone number, magbutang na lang ta diri og phone number na to. Alright? So, 77319 So for your phone number, mangita ta diri og katong phone number na to. Sa shop. So, we have to make sure kailangan ay nakabutang na phone number. Ayan. So, after which, proceed dayon ta. So, make sure kailangan nakabutang niya. Dili ko sure sa area code na to kaya wala ko kabalo sa area code sa Kabantian ba ni Orso, pero I'll try to put as 1 para sure. Email address. Then, TIN number. Yan, after which, residence address, i-copy na lang ninyo para diretso na ito tanan. So, asset. Tanan to dire 2000 0 1 0 next. So, once na maklik na ninyo tong sa baba, ang importante maklik ninyo sa baba. Ayan. So, na mag-pop up confirmation. So after which na pud siya undertaking, another info, proceed lang nato na. So recap, kailangan og TIN number, landline number, and your mobile number. Okay, so after this, nanatay business information, Jocs online shop, region 11, sole proprietorship, and then processing fee, documentary fee, and then payment method. So ang total amount na to is 230 only. So na gcash, na ay Mastercard, Paymaya, Land Bank, or kung gusto niyo over the counter sa DTI, pero since online atong kailangan para di na magpila-pila, so gcash, kailangan na to gcash. Okay, so proceed payment. So after sa to ang kuha, you have to log in. And then mag-pop up dayon ang code. And then kailangan siya og PIN, okay? So I'll get back to you kay kailangan ako mag-log out kay magbutang ko sa ko ang PIN. And we're back. So humana na ta sa to ang registration, and so for payment na ta. So nabutang na nako ako ang PIN sa GCash. So nanatay bayran nun na 230. So confirm and pay. Ayan na, nag-text na ito ang GCash. So, na-send na siya. And right now, for verification, maghulat na lang ta sa ito ang email. Kailangan og verification code. So, check na to sa email kung inana ba kapaspas ang registration. Ayan. Nana dayon diri sa ito ang email. So, na-verification code. Iato lang itong i-copy, and then ito ang i-paste, then proceed. So, transaction completed. And then, sa baba na ay downloadable contents nakabutang, okay? So, certificate, official receipt. Ano na to ang sa certificate? Ayan na to ang DTI na copy. So, ato lang din i-download, or pwede po din nyo i-screenshot para naana mo i-copy. And then, for the receipt, ayan, may receipt din siya. So, you have to download or screenshot na rin at the same time. Okay, so you are now officially registered sa DTI ang imuhang business. So, I hope this run-through tutorial natin is helpful for everyone. Kay kailangan yun i-register na ito ang business. So, even na mag-sell ka dito sa tong online, okay, especially sa Facebook. So, if this is helpful, guys, or na may mga questions, and please don't forget to comment down below. Okay, and dagang kayong salamat for the patience kay nag-run through ta sa online registration using your phone. Thanks, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe.